Hi everyone, Kelly Schaffner here. Happy holidays, season's greetings, Merry Vlogmas. It is so nice to see you today. I'm really excited about today's video. I have some clothes. You can see I have a rack filled with clothes to share with you. They are not thrifted clothes, but everything on this rack I'm going to sell in my Poshmark closet. It's all mine. All of this is from my personal closet. You guys have been hearing me say for a while that I was going to dive in and tackle this project, and I have started. And I have a lot of donations, but everything on this rack I decided to sell in my Poshmark closet rather than donate. I think it's sellable. You guys are going to have to let me know what you think. Today's video is a little holiday treat, guys. It's a really special video for me because I am collaborating with a friend. Her name is Jess, and she has a brand new YouTube channel right here on YouTube. Her channel's name is Bins Crazy Jess. Jess, I will put it on the screen here, but I will also leave a link to her video in the description box below. Check it out, guys. Show Jess some love. I follow Jess both on YouTube and Instagram. She is such a talented girl. She upcycles a lot of clothing, and she is truly an artist. She upcycles denim and hand paints denim pieces. They're really phenomenal pieces. I recommend you follow her on Instagram as well. She's a very creative content creator. That was a lot of creating, wasn't it? But you guys, you won't be disappointed. Take my word for that. Jess and I agreed to make a video on a closet clean out, and that was kind of at my urging. My next collaboration with Jess, I'm going to let her pick the topic because this was something I really wanted to tackle before the end of the year. And not necessarily getting things listed on Poshmark, but getting my closet cleaned out. It's such a good thing to do at the end of the year and get those donations in because you get a little tax write-off. So also for your business, I am doing an inventory of my business, taking stock of what I have for sale in my Poshmark and eBay stores and being honest about what is truly sellable, what isn't. There may be a big clearance sale coming up in my Poshmark closet. Make sure you're following me on Poshmark if you're interested in a clearance sale. But this is all Kelly Schaffner stuff. There were only 3 questions I asked myself when I pulled these clothes from my personal closet. The first one was, does it fit? The majority of this clothing does not fit me. I've put on weight in the past couple years, and I've held on to clothing that just does not fit. It's time to let it go. The next question was, do you need it? And there's some items on this rack that I don't need. I never needed them. I bought them anyway because in my mind, I thought I would wear them, but I haven't. And the last question was, do you wear it? And there's some items on here that are new with tags that I purchased thinking I would wear that I don't wear. So it's time to let them go. That was a ridiculous long intro. I'm going to get straight into the clothes, guys. This is the first piece that's going up for sale in my Poshmark closet. This is just a little red, silky feeling V-neck top with a cap sleeve on it. The brand on this one is Naked Zebra. It is new with tags. It's my favorite color. I love red. I've never worn it. It's time to get rid of it. All right, this is the next top. This is CC with a little Peter Pan collar that my lights are blowing out, but this is a fully lined top. It does have polka dots in pastel, so short sleeve CC, new with tags, and I paid full price for this at $89, and it's a size medium. And it does not fit me. So this one is going into my Poshmark closet. Does anyone remember this? I wore this to a holiday party a couple years ago. I wore it with some black slacks. It is a true, I think it's a true wrap. No, it's a faux wrap, but it looks like a true wrap. This is INC, I think. Yeah, INC from Macy's. And it's black. Yeah, it's black and green. So cute. Size medium. Yeah, I was a size medium not long ago, and I am no longer. Okay, the next one is this little purple, it's not really purple, lavender V-neck top. This one is by One State. It's also a size medium, and it has this detail on the arm there. I wasn't sure if I should have purchased this. It was not 100%. I decided to keep this, and I may have worn this for a video, but I've never worn this outside of my house. Next up is some polka dots. This is white with black polka dots. Look at the sleeve, guys. It's got a really cute sleeve. It is not a layered top. And this one is a size medium as well. Who's the brand? I can't read it backwards. This is Style Dawn. So this is a boutique brand. But yeah, size medium, doesn't fit. Okay, this one, I wasn't sure if I should add this. I've had this for a while. This one has got some great memories with it. This is like a long tunic dolman red stretchy top. It does have the little bling going down the arms, and I wore this to a holiday party, so I've been holding on to it for a while. I wore this with some leggings and some tall black boots, and it was super cute. This is not an expensive top. It's a really comfortable top. Who is the brand? This brand is Enjoy Clothing. So it is, can you see that? Enjoy Clothing. It's a boutique brand. I bought this at a boutique in Las Vegas, and I'm only listing it in my Poshmark closet because it is holiday appropriate. Wow, my lights are really blowing this out. This is a white button front top. It does, let me come this way, see if you can see the print on it. It does have Eiffel Towers and bicycle riders, little bitty red hearts on it. And this is rails. This is a size medium. Does not fit me. I don't know if it fits, but it wasn't a top that I grabbed for, so I decided to let it go. Guys, everyone loves this top. I decided to sell this top. This is by a brand called Casual Studio, and I've worn this on more than one occasion in videos. Everyone likes it on, and I haven't worn it in a while. It's a size small, and it's time to let this one go. Never wore this one, but I should have. Again, it's a white button-up. I'm not reaching for button-ups lately. So I turned my lights down a little bit to show you this top. This is Talbot's size medium button-up, and it's just a white, crisp cotton button-up with the star detail on it. So yeah, this one's going into Poshmark. All right, next piece is a sweater, and this is that cross front sweater low V, so you probably would want to wear something underneath it. This is a light brown chunky knit casual sweater. The brand is Pink Clover. This did come in a Stitch Fix box. It's a size medium. It's cute. I'm done with it. Next one is a lightweight sweater, also by Stitch Fix. Let me stand back. Can you see this lace detail here? And it also has a zip detail, so you can show, maybe, yeah, you can show more of that lace if you like. So this is what it looks like. It's RD style, size medium. And yeah, I'm gonna quit fooling myself about wearing size medium and get these out of my closet. Is this one a size medium? Size medium. This is a blazer. I should have buttoned it. I think it's a one button blazer, right? One button blazer. And this is a jersey, a soft jersey fabric. Does have two pockets. The pockets aren't even released yet, guys. I think I wore this, maybe I just wore it for a video, but this is a new day. This is Target, size medium. So this one is going in my Poshmark closet. You guys aren't gonna believe this, but I decided to sell this blazer, and it's a really nice blazer. I've had it for a couple years. Never worn this blazer. And the reason I haven't is because I always opt for my favorite black blazer, which is not this one, but this is a really nice blazer, and I'm going to get it listed. This is LaFleur, size medium, and this is one of those stretchy blazers, and it is a one button blazer. It's like from their Jardigan line. I tried the Jardigan, I loved it, but I did want it in a blazer form. So yeah, the tags are not on this blazer, but it does still have the button attached. I lent this to my girlfriend. She took it to New York for her son's graduation from Columbia, and she decided not to wear it at the last moment. This one is going to find a new home. Next piece is a super fun cardigan. It is a longer line, it's like a jacket cardigan, and this is a faux suede on the front, but it has a super furry collar detail, and it is a sweater back on it. The brand is just a boutique brand, 12th Heart, and this one is a size medium. There's pockets. I love this sweater. It's too small for me. All right, next piece is a denim jacket, and it looks like this. This one is a size small. What's the brand? Baxini. I think I picked this one up at TJ Maxx. It does have the pearl detail on it. And this is a super stretchy jacket. I do have too many denim jackets. This is the first one that I decided to sell because of the size. This is a size small. It's not going to work for me any longer. Okay, this one is a size large, but this is like a junior size large. This is a red pea coat. I'm sure it's all acrylic. It's a double-breasted red pea coat. It looks like this. Guys, I had this in my Poshmark inventory and it's never been listed. The brand on this one is XXI21. This is a Forever 21 jacket, size large. I wore this so much when I lived in Las Vegas. Again, I told you, red is my favorite color. It's time to retire this one. All right, we're down to the last two. And okay, this one is, I don't need it. I don't wear it. But it's absolutely beautiful and I wanted to wear it. When I saw this jacket, the first time I tried it on, I had visions of myself being somewhere very, very cold. I don't live in a cold climate and this jacket is far too warm. This jacket is Mark, New York. Can you see that? Mark, New York. It's a size medium and it's so cool. Okay, so it does have the snap front. It has the zip up, but it also has like a vest that zips. Now that's attached, but it also has the faux fur collar and that is a blue. Did I just see some of my hair? But that is kind of a blue fur. I love this jacket and I purchased it. I thought I was going to wear it and I didn't. I put it on many, many times. It's way too hot for me. I don't need it. I have to quit fooling myself about that and get this one listed right away on Poshmark. This is the final piece, guys. I decided to sell this in my Poshmark closet. This is a wool long line jacket. It's a single button jacket, red with pockets. It's such a cool print on it too. The designer is Zach Posen. This is a size medium. I love this jacket. I've had this jacket for a couple years. It's a wool blend. It's predominantly acrylic. It's fully lined. It's warm. It's too warm for this climate. I have worn this. I took this jacket to church once. Only once have I worn this jacket. So it's time to let it go. I'm feeling so accomplished today. It's actually kind of freeing and liberating to pull this from my closet and quit kidding myself. I am not going to wear anything on this rack. I haven't worn it in a couple years. Some of it maybe just a year, but if I have not worn it in a year, chances are I'm not going to wear it. And I'm not going to kid myself and say when I lose the weight, then I will wear this. If and when I lose some weight, then I will certainly get new clothes and I'll share it with you because that's what I do here on this channel. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so. If you're interested in any of the clothing I showed on this rack, you can find it in my Poshmark closet. That's also linked in the description box. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please head on over to my friend Jess's YouTube channel. See what clothing she pulled from her own personal closet to sell on Poshmark. Show her some love, guys. Tell her Kelly sent you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for joining me again. Merry Christmas to all of you and blessings.